In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to download your media, access your product files, or simply ensure that you have all your essential website components offline, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Wix.com sign-up page and log in to your account. This step is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. Look for the option that says Design, Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that, and this will take you to the place where you can make changes to your website's design and content. Now, let's focus on the media files you might want to export. In the Design view, look for the Media section. You'll see a tab labeled Site Files. And within this, there's a Show More option. Click on Show More, and this will reveal a comprehensive list of media files that are currently integrated into your website. As you browse through these files, consider which ones you might need for your offline activities or to keep as backups. When you find a specific file that you'd like to download, simply hover your cursor over it. This action will typically display more options for that file, including the Download option. Click on Download, and your file will be saved directly to your computer. Make sure to select a location on your device that you can easily remember for future access. Besides media files, you might also need to export your product details, especially if you're managing an online store. For this, head back to the main navigation and go to your Products page. Select the specific product page you are interested in. Once there, you'll see an option to select Manage Products. Click on that, and a list of all your products will appear. This is where you can review the items you have listed on your site. To export the details of a particular item, first, locate it in the list. Once you've identified the item you need, there will be an Export button that you can click on. By selecting this, you'll start the process of exporting the product's information, including all its relevant details. That's essentially it. With these simple steps, you can ensure that you have offline access to your Wix website's essential files and product information. It's a great way to maintain backups or work with your site content in other environments. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.